In an effort to resolve the issue on the shortage of table birds, the Livestock Development Project Prodel, whose mission has been to improve on the supply system, has been assisting those in the sector by investing in business plans. To date, 134 projects have been given financial assistance worth 7 billion CFA francs, with 42% being those in the poultry sector.
We are giving them the financement. We can support his business plan around 60%. And then the 40%, he has to negotiate which bank and then to bring himself the 10%.
Thanks to the cooperation between Cameroon and the World Bank, there are possibilities of financing integrated projects and supporting even the smallest producers in the regions.
Normally, we have a capacity to produce 50,000 chicken per month, but we decide to make it every week. Every week we can produce 15,000 day-old chicks.
Though the results recorded at the level of beneficiaries are visible, improving productivity in all added value chains, especially the poultry sector, remains a priority. The margin between demand and supply is estimated at about 40 million and will require durable solutions.